I'm getting some feedback that when teachers are opening documents that they had created in Word within OpenOffice, that the formatting of bullets is all messed up. So I have a document here to display what I think is one of the problems. If you notice these odd square-shaped bullets here that have like a spider-looking thing in them, when I created this document in Word, that is not the type of bullets that I used. I used a little dot for the bullets instead. And the reason for this is that the font that Word uses to create that bullet does not exist within OpenOffice. So there's a fix that's pretty quick to resolve this though. If you go up to the top of your menu bar and you click on OpenOffice and then you open the Preferences pane, when you're in Preferences it will look like this. You need to click where it's the little arrow to the side of openoffice.org to be able to get into the Fonts Replacement Table pane. So once in there, you're going to place a check mark where it says Apply Replacement Table. And then the font that is in Word that is not in OpenOffice is called Symbol. So I'm going to first select Symbol as the font, and then I'm going to tell it that any time that it encounters the font Symbol, instead of giving me this random square bullet, I'm going to want to replace it with the equivalent font within OpenOffice, which is Open Symbol. So once I select those two fonts, I can click on this checkbox here, and that is going to populate my font replacement table. And I don't want it to just appear on the screen, I actually want it to be always. So I'm going to place a check mark right here where it says Always. And when I say OK, lo and behold, my font square bullets are replaced with the little dots that I had originally intended. So this is just one example of one of the things that can be done. You do not have to do this for every document. When you do it once, OpenOffice will now always do that. Anytime it finds a file that uses the symbol font, it will automatically use the Open Symbol font. So this is not something that you have to do with every document. You only have to do it with the first time. But there are other things that may come up, specifically with math documents where you're embedding a lot of graphics or objects. If you have specific problems that this particular fix does not resolve, please feel free to get in touch with me and we can set up a time to try and resolve your particular issue.